Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of my henna hair regimen. I will begin by using my Tukka Beauty hair care products, starting with the Cha Moisturizing Shampoo, Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner as my alternative to cleansing my hair, LeMoka Deep Conditioning Hair Mask as my deep conditioner, Koko Lait 3-in-1 Conditioner as my leave-in, and Butter Smooth Hair and Body Butter to help my hair retain moisture throughout the week. Now let's begin removing the head wrap, and I will begin by removing the head wrap from my hair so you guys can see how I layer my hair to protect my clothes from getting stained by the henna. Now I've cleansed my hair with the Cha Moisturizing Shampoo, and as you can see, there is no excess henna in my hair. My hair is nice and thick. You can see the red highlights in my hair. It's clean. I'm just giving you guys a close-up of how my hair looks after I've hennaed my hair, and I love it. Next, I'm going to show you all how I use Tukka Beauty hair products in my hair, beginning with LeMoka Conditioning Hair Mask as my deep conditioner. After I rinse my hair out, I will apply Koko 3-in-1 Conditioner to my hair, and I will also use the conditioner to detangle and to remove any excess shedded hair from my head. As you can see, my hair is nice and soft and hydrated, and I can easily run my fingers through my hair without any resistance whatsoever. As you can see, finger detangling is a breeze with this conditioner. Next, I begin using the Butter Smooth Hair and Body Butter. I apply a generous amount of the hair and body butter throughout my hair, starting from the roots to the ends of my hair, focusing on the ends of my hair. Now, Butter Smooth Hair and Body Butter will help my hair retain moisture throughout the week, preventing dry hair and breakage. Next, I begin the twisting process throughout my entire head of hair to prevent shrinkage, knotting, and tangles. And here is the final results of my hair. My hair is thick and lush with beautiful red highlights. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to click the like button and the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.